Okay, good afternoon. It's like 3 o'clock, but I've only just got here at Alton Towers for fireworks. My first time ever doing the fireworks. It's quite exciting. Yeah, I'm going to be here till like 9 o'clock, I think it is, when the ride shuts, so plenty of time for night rides as well. We're going to do Oblivion first, because it's back alive. It's only on 25 minutes, so that's pretty good going. I did come here last week for a few rides. I did Subterra for the first time and Curse new scenes. So I'll do a little review of that now and see you after Oblivion. Okay, hello. This is Tom from the future telling you my thoughts on the new Curse scenes and Subterra. Because I did them last weekend. Well, not last weekend now, but last weekend from when this video's out. If that makes sense, I don't know. Basically, the new Curse scenes, the first couple of them are good. I really liked them in the hide and seek bit. Whatever that school screen is, it's just awful. Do not like that. So yeah, but I think overall it's good additions to the ride, and I like the fact it's not as much dark space now. So I think that's big additions. I think it's a big improvement. Subterra, on the other hand, that was the first time I've ever done that. It was a pretty big deal, you know. I just casually can do these kind of rides now that I've got that kind of like scary kind of atmosphere. I knew little bits about it going in, but like the immersion and storytelling was really fun. I really enjoyed that. Big fan, and like the whole like dropping the whole scene with all the open eggs, and you know, I let out a massive scream when the things start hitting your legs. I kind of forgot they happened, and it really caught me off guard. It was really effective. And then yeah, ending was good. You like rushed out, you know, there's an actor there. Really cool actually. So yeah, I think, you know, Towers got some good dark rides now actually. When Hex reopens as well, I think I have a really solid list. I just wish they had one a bit more light-hearted dark ride that's not Gangster Granny. But other than that, really good. Okay, so I've not really vlogged. I've done an Austin here basically. Yeah, so we did Oblivion, which was good, and then we decided to stick it out and do a 13Q. So get a night ride on it, and fair, that was really good, really atmospheric, and got blinded by the like camera, like taking photos. That was fun. So yeah, that was really good. And then it was kind of like it's like a ship post kind of thing, where like they're having issues with audio, and it's like make sure you hold on with your hands, like obviously. So that was good. But we're kind of heading over to the fireworks now to watch them in about an hour. Got a hot chocolate because it's bloody freezing. So yeah, I'll probably put in some stuff from like the entertainment that they've got, and then some more footage in the park at night, I guess.
And now, it's time for a story.
A whizzing, spinning, topsy-turvy, rib-tickling test drive of your body bones to make your senses soar!
This is the first time ever going in to Gloomy Wood. Still Gloomy Wood, isn't it? Yeah. Gloomy Wood at night. And it's so misty. You've got all this themed lighting. And as we make our way down, we'll see the Alton Manor at night. Which I think is going to look absolutely incredible. Oh God. Oh wow. That's cool.
I can't see it.
You can't see. You actually can't. And I mean, but you have to believe me here. But Alton Manor is in front.
Oh wow.
There you go.
She's in the window.
Alton Manor at night. Wow. Could do without the.
Rude not to.
I mean, could do without the generators, but other than that,
Right.
really. So, first of all, give thoughts on fireworks. They're incredible. Like themed to the different areas of the park. So we did Tank Canyon, Mutiny Bay, X Sector, and Gloomy Wood. And the Gloomy Wood section was absolutely incredible. There's some clips in there. I don't know if I actually picked it up that well, but like there's like projecting onto some like fountains, like Emily Alton. It was really cool. One negative, really not good at handling crowds. It was absolutely awful trying to get from the lawns to anywhere. But yeah, and then just had a ride on Curse. It was just an amazing ride. I think we're now going to check out Forbidden Valley to see what's happening with Nemesis. Oh my god. This is amazing.
That was.
The level of detail that's gone into this is just incredible. Back with Revenge 2024. Right, so it's like 9:30. And the parks have emptied out obviously because it's shut for like a while now, I think. We've just been to the roller coaster restaurant actually. For the first time I've ever been. It was fun, yeah, I liked it. Yeah, not bad food for a theme park. So yeah, pretty good. And now we're heading home, getting some much needed sleep because I've been working on a hangover all day, like a bad one. Yeah, and then Greater Manitoba for Shockwave's last stand. So catch that the next week, I guess. Yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you.